Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mohit. So in this video, I am going to discuss how you can scroll horizontally with Katalon Studio. So uh, I have prepared a test case which is actually scrolling horizontally for this Office Depot application. So to perform scroll horizontally, you have to write a custom keyword. So this is one of my custom keyword which I'm using to scroll horizontally. So this custom is actually required two object. One is a grid object, second one is your targeted object. So on the basis of the grid object, I am finding the height and the width, and then I'm using this mobile.sweep keyword which is actually using the height and width of the grid. And finally I'm verifying if my targeted element is visible and the value is true, then swap again and then break the loop. So I'm running this loop till 20 times. You can increase it and decrease it as per your requirement. Then Katalon can scroll horizontally by using this grid and your targeted element. So let me show you how you can capture this grid and the targeted element. So this is actually my test application, and this is something I need to do. I need to scroll the element till this cleaning. Okay, so uh, here you have to capture two object. One is the grid which is actually identifying this complete all the object in a single frame, and second one your targeted element. So how can you capture it? Let me close this application and I will start the Katalon Studio again, and then we can discuss it. So let me copy this. I will start my existing application. I am not going to install it again. So this is the spy. I'm choosing the Android device. Finally I am start with application ID. I'm passing the application ID and clicking on start. So in a few seconds Katalon Studio will start my existing installed application, and finally I can capture the grid element and the targeted element both. So let's wait for a few seconds until it's get started. Alright, so let me capture the object again so that I can map with the targeted page, this one. Now first thing, you have to capture this grid. Just click here, and here you can see it's identifying all the element in a single frame. So it is your grid. So I'm just clicking on here, and now it's start. Okay, finally it's got capture. You can, if you want to rename it, you can rename it. Now I'm just scrolling manually in my targeted application, and this is my target element which I need to again capture. So I'm just clicking on the capture object, and finally I can capture this one also. So this is the target element. It's got captured here, and it's quite fast now. Now you just need to save this script, and then you can use both of the object inside your test script. So I'm just closing it now. Okay, so this is my uh, test cases, and if you will see this test case via the scripting view, here you can say first I'm starting the application, and this is the keyword which I am actually using for the horizontal scroll. Here I'm passing two keyword. One is for the mobile grid keyword, and second one is for the targeted element which is the cleaning keyword for me. Again after that I'm again waiting for 2 seconds, and then I'm clicking on this cleaning keyword, waiting for 2 more seconds, and then I'm closing the application. So let's run this test. I'm going to select the Android as a run execution, and I can close this application. Okay, so my test is started running on Android, and here you can see it's starting the existing application which is com.office depot.mobile.ui. Okay, it's launching the application, waiting for 5 second now. So now here you can see now it's started executing the scroll horizontally keyword, and you can measure its scrolling. It will scroll till it does not find the cleaning. And once it find the cleaning, it will click on that. So it's find the cleaning, and now it's clicking on that, and finally it's. So that's all for this video. Thank you, hope it will help you.